What up YouTube, we are back with another unboxing. These are from Bose, or Bose, whatever I say Bose. These are the Soundsport free wireless. These are fully wireless earphones. They work with Android or iOS. And it says in the back here, strong, reliable Bluetooth connection, stable comfort fit, clear, powerful sound, sweat and water resistant as well. And also can be used with the Bose companion app that you can download from the App Store. It says up to 5 hours of playtime per charge and 10 hours of extra battery life in the case. I've actually got a pair of these guys myself. They are okay. They're not the best, but they are okay. And okay, I'm back again. I went ahead and opened those things up. These are the headphones. So it comes with this sort of packaging, which opens up like so, which demonstrates stuff about the headphones, and it opens up like this as well. So it's got a picture there. Those are the headphones right there. So it comes with this box here. Inside this box comes with the charging cable, sort of micro USB charging cable, and then inside here comes with the instructions, I presume. Yep, comes with the instructions sort of about these earphones as well, which is pretty cool. So put that back in there. That's all that's provided there. So there, and these are the headphones themselves. So on the front it's got these LEDs, so it's got 5 indicators on the front. On the back it does use a standard micro USB connection. But let me just see the light here, a bit dark. So yeah, so use a micro USB connection just there. 5 LED indicators on the front. Press this button here and it opens up the headphones. LED indicators that tell you it's charging here, and these are the earphones themselves. So they've got a lot more contact points than other earphones. They use this array of 4 smaller inputs, 4 smaller contacts and 2 larger contacts. That the larger contacts act like magnets, and the smaller contacts act like charging points. Got buttons on the side, so there's volume controls, and also you can use it for skipping and going up and down on audio. And also you've got a button here as well. That's basically for pressing pause and playing. If you hold it down for a longer period of time, I believe it does an assistant option as well. And this one over here is a power button. So you hold this down, go into pairing mode, turn them off, and etc. And the same sort of contacts and waves. I've used these pairs before, and I've had a pair for quite some time. These are great headphones. Not my ideal choice, and I've used everything. My favorite headphones by far are the Sony's, but these are great headphones. Since the time I've been using them, I've had them for quite some time. I did enjoy using these headphones. I just found that these things themselves, they were a bit big. They are huge. I mean, look at the size of these things. These are pretty big. So that's how I found the fitting of these things is a nice comfortable fit, but quite a big heavy sort of earphone. And I found that obviously having it for long duration of time, my ear does get a bit tired. But anyway, if you've got larger ears, these should be great for you. And I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. These have been the Bose Sound Free fully wireless earphones, and this has been Ace. As always, like, subscribe, peace out.